Hello, thanks for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing the differences between the company files, the My files, and your project files. Now, to begin, we'll want to locate the company files, which are under the File Management tab on the left hand sidebar. Now, your company files will only be visible to company employees, and then it will only be accessible to company employees that have permissions to files and photos. Now, the My Files section is right below your company files. This is going to be a personal file storage system inside of Construction Online. You would be the only user that has access to your own My Files section. Now, the project files aren't going to be found under the File Management tab. Those are going to be located directly within your projects. So you would just want to select a project from the left-hand sidebar or from the Company Overview and your Projects tab. And once you've selected that, you can go over to your files and photos. Now, your project files are only going to be visible to the team that has been associated to this project. So that will only be company employees, team link, and client link contacts that have been assigned to this project. And then on top of that, they will need access to files and photos to view that information in the project. Now that is all for today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to ask them through the live chat or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.